cylinders were misfiring. Pretty easy. But anyways, if you haven't figured it out, it was this one. As you can see, guys, this intake valve is not all the way closing, so it's gonna be bent. I'm gonna put some light in there so you guys can see. There's a light in this top one. So I'm gonna take it apart so you can see how bent it is. All right, guys, just took the retainers off, so I'm gonna release the spring now. All right, just got the valve out. And there she is. Don't look that bad standing there. You can see where it's been rubbing.